Alright, so get this. Take that guy out. Yeah, it's fine. So I have a right to film in this building. It's a public building, it's not a court building. And these guys don't really have it right. We'll see what they do. Like, I should be able to go in the lobby, but like I'll just turn it off if it goes. I just gotta get them definite denial, okay? Because I do have a federal yeah. So I get, but there's a public lobby. Like, so is this definite? You guys are still doing that? Because I need, yeah, I heard that. Because I need to,
so we can go upstairs and do our meeting?
I have a right to film in here, so what I was saying is I just need to be assured that, like I have to, I can't go through this lobby with it turned on and film, because it's violating my rights, and so I want to be able to, get redress in federal court. Federal court sometimes, so I'm just making sure it's clear, okay? Can you guys just be clear about this? Like, I just want to be able to have redress in federal court, so I have, like...
Listen, we need to go up.
My lawyer's not even here yet.
She's in court.
Yeah, I know. It's not safe here. It's not safe here. Yeah. So the thing is, I just want to make sure it's definite. I want to be able to have redress.
Is there some way we can have the information from the USB without him coming in here?
No, it's not. It's not about that. It's about the evaluation.
Okay.
Okay. Can I talk to you guys outside?
No, just step outside.
Okay. Don't worry about it. See, what I'm trying to do is just make sure.
Yeah, because I'm saying.
See, they didn't care, man. They assaulted me last time I was here, and I put it up on YouTube. I haven't been able. That's why I wasn't able to meet with my lawyer, and now it's like this thing we got to do. And so what I was doing, we haven't gotten to the point where I'm supposed to turn it off. I should be able to go through this lobby, like just in the lobby, and like have it on. They're not supposed to tell me not to. Because do you understand? Okay, so when you look, there's Boonhauer. Okay, that'd be great.
Okay, we'll try to do it right.
Victory, Boonhauer. That's Boonhauer. We're gonna do it right here.
Hey, Ken, what's going on?
Dude, I got out of it. They're not gonna put me up there now.
Well, now you're all dressed up.
I'm gonna do it up
What's
here.
going on?
I
You got
know,
fun?
man. This is my guy.
You guys together?
Yes.
You know, yeah, it's my new
Trying to do
lawyer.
like
I'm on my fourth lawyer, but
Okay.
she's like, I got 4.5 now. I got 2 lawyers
Okay. Are you okay?
Yes.
now.
We're trying to get an evaluation
Do I
done. It's
make-
going to be over Zoom. So,
Does he need to stop recording while you're doing that, or?
I mean, I would...
You don't need to solicit like anything like that. You can get out of here now. See, these guys assaulted me before. It's not safe in there.
Will you please stop
Yeah, I
recording?
can, but you gotta get these guys away. Go away. These guys, I want to sit
But
down and do
if
this.
they Ken,
Get away! These guys
trying-
assaulted me
Yeah,
before.
it's okay.
Ken, she's trying
No,
to
it's
help
not.
you.
No, I don't talk to you.
She's trying to help you.
So what's the black wedding ring about? What's that for?
How about if he
Yeah,
did this?
stay back.
If he takes the phone and just sets it down to hear the
You don't need to
audio.
come and give me orders. Can you go away now and just
But
wait?
she's trying to
See how
help
it goes? Yeah, so I'm not talking to you. Man, this guy is like, this guy came and assaulted me when we were here, saying that that's not my wife. My wife isn't my wife.
Ken,
This
I've
guy,
never-
he's on record assaulting me. He
Ken, I've
told me,
never met
he's
her.
like threatened me. He threatened me,
So
and
we're just trying to,
you know, listen,
we're
he's
just trying
this
to-
guy has threatened me.
No, he's not. He's not a...
Not that guy, Boonhauer. He's Boonhauer's threatened me
No,
before.
he's coming too.
He told me come over. Told me you came over and mowed my lawn.
Who came over and mowed your lawn?
You told me that you did.
That I mowed your lawn?
Yep.
When did I?
You were joking once. You said it.
No, I was joking with you about you cutting your lawn. We were talking about your
Okay.
lawnmower.
Yeah, that's when they were having.
Because you live in the Cape.
And then like it involves like the threats to my cat
How
and
did
stuff
you
like
get
that.
into the courthouse? Because you weren't recording in
No, I
court.
didn't go in there.
Yeah.
Can these guys go away? Can we just get away?
If you
See, that's the thing. See, I'm gonna get assaulted here. Can you get away? Get away.
Do her
See, I
job for
think
you, Ken.
I understand that you're feeling a bit uncomfortable.
Yeah.
But listen,
Yeah.
we have to ultimately follow the rules. And
Yeah, I've been assaulted here before by these guys. This guy threatens me. I've documented in the court. You guys don't do anything. I want to fuck. Sorry, I don't want to seriously. Yeah, you grabbed me.
When we were trying to...
Yeah, because I wasn't filming. You pretended she wasn't my wife, and you came and said you were going to arrest me for assaulting her, or like standing next to her. Some weird thing when I hugged her.
With my finger to my nose.
This guy's lying, man.
So
Here, why don't you sit down?
we're
Sit down here.
already-
Sit down.
I don't
we're
want to
already
sit down.
a little
Yeah,
late.
so you guys need to go.
We're already a little
I know
late
these
for
guys
our
need to go. I
meeting.
need to get rid of these guys.
But maybe if you put the phone down.
Can we do something with the USB that...
No, it has nothing to
can
do with
get
it. I gotta
mailed
get.
to
I
the
gotta get this
house?
other thing.
Yes,
That we're not doing
you are
that.
entitled to your discovery.
Never mind that.
And you will get your discovery.
Just sit down there. Sit
Yeah,
down.
I don't really
Sit down
want to
next
have
to
a
me.
meeting right now. I don't want to meet here. I don't want
We're
to
not
be
having a
here.
meeting. We're gonna do this other thing.
What are we going to do?
I don't want to talk. Come on. I'm waiting for these guys to go away. This is not safe for me. You need to do something about this,
So
or
if
I'll just wait.
You can put down the phone, and then we can
This
go
isn't
up.
safe. This isn't right. I'm not going in there now. That's dangerous.
Well,
I've
we're
like
gonna be on the third.
no. I've
actually
documented
reserved
this
the
before. It's not
conference
safe for
room.
me. It's not safe for me in that building. It's not safe for
They're
me.
not gonna touch you. They just don't want
They
you
haven't
to
touched me
report.
before. He's already assaulted me in front of my wife.
That's correct.
Okay, but that's not gonna happen today. You
It's
just
been
need to-
happening, and they don't do anything about it. We need to go back and talk to the judge. Is she still there?
No.
Okay, we have to do something. This is not. This is. These
Okay,
guys
if
assault me.
we-
Can we go to another place? Can we schedule a meeting for
If
some
you-
office? These guys assault me.
Well, our
This
office
is why
is right
I know.
here.
That's but these guys come and assault me. There.
They're not
They're not
gonna
supposed to.
assault.
Yeah, they already did once,
Okay, but I don't.
and I
know.
won't have a camera, and he's lying about it.
She's just trying to do her job.
What
Ken.
if we go
Yeah.
meet in a conference room on the second floor? Will you stop filming?
Yeah, okay.
In this room? In this building? Yeah, let's go back to that building.
Okay,
Mom.
but then you have to stop recording, all right?
Yeah, he'll be fine. Let's go back in that building.
Yeah, I don't want these guys to assault me.
Well, they won't be. Let's just
They're
go.
not
They stopped
going to.
talking. Well, they did once. What about that?
I don't know about that.
Well, I told you about it.
When you
So.
come through security, Ken, you can't be filming or anything like that.
This guy harasses me, like calls me by my name, all kinds of weird stuff. I got all the video of him. It's just he does it to just he does all this stuff, man. Yeah, it's fine. We should have just stayed up there anyway.
Okay.
I don't think they're allowed to come in. They're probably
All right,
not
so-
going to come in.
Ken,
I'm
is there
trying.
something else?
No, I'm not
Is there
talking to
something
you.
else you'd like me to call you? If you don't want me to say your name?
I want you to. No.
Let's. Okay, but you're gonna have to not record when we
Can't
go back
record
I
to
know
the
that.
come through
courthouse.
security.
I know that. I know
Okay.
that.
All right, so let's go up
Can you
and then
stop
we'll.
it? They assault me. Don't you care?
Well, they're not gonna assault you now. We're just gonna.
Like
go
you don't know
forward.
that. I'm not going over there with them.
No, we're just. What's fine, ma'am? No, you're fine. So we're just gonna go into the same conference room.
Not
that
if
we
they're
were in.
going in there.
Well, that's where they work, so they kind of have
Well,
to
they
go in.
can't. They've been assaulting me. This isn't safe. I need to. We need to do something about this. This isn't
But
safe.
can we go up
We need to. This is. Look at this. They've assaulted me before. I've got it on video.
I believe
I've got
you.
it documented. Why do I get a fake? Oh wait, if they're gonna really leave. If you can, why don't you go talk to someone there? Because this isn't. They'll tell them to go away. Just wait. Just give us. Can you wait a little bit? Just give some time. I live this stuff. I think they're gonna have to go away. I don't think they're supposed to be. If they go away, because they had to clear out.
In front of me when we were going
Yeah.
through security.
I live this stuff. I live it. Come on, man. You know where it is.
Grab your arm.
Yeah. I'll check him out, man.
Hold you.
Got it, dude.
Just focus and concentrate.
This is my guy, man. Come on, man. You know what's going on, right? Yeah.
Alright. Can we
Is
go
that
to the
good?
courthouse?
Yeah, it'd probably be good. You gotta be straight with me. If you witness anything, you gotta be straight up. You can't be like, I gotta trust you as a person. You know what I mean? You can't chicken out, because like that's, he's just playing around anyway. Alright.
Alright.
Okay, I'm about to turn off.